Fitness is rarely associated with the elderly, but on Women's Day, this reality changed. The Department of Public Safety hosted a Women's Day soccer tournament, which saw grannies from various parts of Soweto march to call for an end against the violence against women.
The Public Safety Department commemorated Women's Day at Nkosi Stadium by hosting a female soccer tournament that saw the JMPD women as well as grannies taking part in the awareness campaign. The day started off at the Jablani fire station with a march by the officials and the community called the Human Chain.
We have decided as public safety, which is Department of EMS combined with Johannesburg Metro Police and Disaster Management, to organize an awareness campaign against women abuse, human trafficking. And the reason we're doing that is because we have seen that in the recent month there have been a lot of women that have been killed around Soweto.
The Moroka Gogos have been keeping fit with the team since its inception in 2015. Their home ground is at Moroka Clinic, where they meet on a weekly basis to train with their coach, Buitumelo Ramakgopa, who opened the score sheet for the day, expressed her delight about the day.
Letsatsi la Women's Day, I'm very much happy. I'm glad for the tournament itlile ka mo rona, and then we had fun. I feel very much happy, and it's all about teamwork, you know. If they say about the team, I shouldn't have scored. Yeah, teamwork.
The main attraction of the day was undoubtedly the pensioners soccer match between Alpha Gogos and Moroka Gogos. Although both teams enjoyed the festivities of the day and a chance to show off their skills, it was the Alpha Gogos who came out victorious with a 2-1 win.
I'm proud of my coach because ke fitlhile ko tlapong e nna next sa tsebe next ka polo an ruta polo am pontsha gona polo e trepiwa jwang polo ha ke shapa penalty tshwantse ke e shape jwang ke ka ho le hona tja a ile a re polo e ke ikorileng a re e shapuwe ke nna.
Mbali, Nkosi, Soweto TV News, Nkosi Stadium, Rockville.